In this guide, I'll show you how to enable and use the mobile hotspot feature on a Redmi phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Setting up a mobile hotspot allows you to create a network using your phone's mobile data, which you can then share with other devices like laptops or tablets. This is especially handy if you have a generous data plan. To get started, open your device settings and look for the hotspot option at the top. Here, you'll see the portable hotspot option. You can toggle it on directly or tap it for more details. In this section, you'll find useful information like your hotspot's network name, password and band settings, along with additional customization options if needed. To activate your hotspot, switch it on, but note that your Wi-Fi will be disabled, as the hotspot uses your mobile data. Once it's enabled, grab another device like a laptop or another phone, open its Wi-Fi settings, and locate your hotspot's network. Tap on the network, enter the password, and connect. You're now sharing your mobile data seamlessly.